Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make edits to a Google Slides presentation. This is your assignment for today that I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you some of the ways that you can change it. So, once you go into your classroom and you locate your assignment, I'm making it so you'll each have your own copy. You'll be able to open it up and you'll have a copy of 2020 Theater Digital Icebreakers. Go ahead and change the title of yours to include your name and class period. And then we'll have the title. So, you can edit all of these slides to tell me a little bit more about yourself. We're going to start with the Netflix slide. So here you can change the Bitmoji if you would like. In order to do that, you have to have the Bitmoji extension for Chrome, which is located up here. Mine won't open Bitmojis right now because I'm at school. What you're really working on, though, is you are going to add your own television posters down here for what you were watching over summer break. You can see I watched Golden Girls, Umbrella Academy, Bluey, Orphan Black, and Glee. I'm going to show you how to insert an image now. So you're going to go to Insert, Image. You can search the web here. Let's say I also watched a lot of Bob's Burgers. Okay, it's going to bring up all these images. I don't love these because none of them are pictures like they have on the Hulu cover or the Netflix cover. So I'm actually going to open up a second tab here, and I'm going to search Bob's Burgers. If I want to get real specific, I want to look for the cover, type in cover. It's going to help. Make sure you click images. And let's see, I like this one. This looks great. It looks the same shape as those boxes. So I right click, copy image, come back to my slideshow, right click, paste. It's big. I need to change the size. So you can do that by clicking on the corner blue box. I'm going to move it over here so I can get a better idea of how small it needs to be. Sometimes it's hard to make them exactly the right size, so you might have to squish it a little bit. I'm going to squish it a little bit. They look okay. Alright, so that's how you insert that. You're going to do that for 5 of your favorite TV shows that you binged over break. So that's how to insert images. Now we're gonna up the ante. You can see here that we've given you this like real world background, and you're going to insert images and your own Bitmoji. Again, the Bitmoji comes from the Bitmoji extension on Google Chrome. The items on my grocery store cart, however, came from images. But you can see they don't have a background, so they look like they're really in the scene. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. You can search for PNG transparent background images. It's trial and error. You just have to keep copy and pasting until you find the right one, which could take forever. So I'm going to show you the workaround for that. So, what is something I like to eat? I know, Reese's peanut butter cups. I want it to look like the package. Awesome. Oh, yeah. I like this picture. Okay, this picture, if I just copy it and paste it into my slideshow, you're going to see it has that white background. That doesn't look cool. So delete that. I'm going to show you how to make it look awesome, how to change it into a PNG file. So you can search in the Omnibox or in your search box down here, remove background. And there are a lot of websites that can do that. This one right now I think is, it hasn't been working, so I haven't used that one. I did use Slazzers though, and it worked really well. So, in order to put your image into the website, you are going to have to save the image. So you can save the image to pictures, title it so you can find it easily, pardon me. Go back to your website, click upload image. It went to my pictures, I know. And there's my Reese's. Open. It is converting the image right now into a PNG. We know it worked because it got that checkerboard pattern in the back. So then you're going to download it, the full image. Oh, nope. You don't even have to do that. You can just right-click and copy this image, but make sure you right-click and copy from the one with the checkered background. So then you're going to go into your slideshow, paste in your slide, and you can see here it no longer has a background. So you can change the size to make it relative to your other items if you would like. You can cover up the little divider if you want. It's not necessary. And you can also delete this text box so you can put all your favorite snacks on there. That is how you create an image without a background. On the next slide, you're dragging icons. You're sorting them based on what you used and what you did not use over on the break. So this one's pretty simple. If you use YouTube, click on the YouTube. When you know it's selected because it gets this blue box around it and you get the crosshairs, drag it over to the side. Yes, I watched a lot of hair cutting tutorials and hair dyeing tutorials on YouTube. I did not use the Kindle app. I read a lot of books, but I did not use Kindle, so I'm going to put it over here on the did not use side. You'll sort all of these apps. Honestly, I hope y'all know what they all are because I need to learn. I got to brush up on what's cool. I've been knitting and crocheting all summer. Alright, this one here is going to be, you can change that Bitmoji. Again, you'll use the Chrome extension. Here you're going to make a list of who you've been talking to and texting over break. You can include a photo if you would like. To edit this, you're going to double click where it says type answer here, and now you can start typing. I talked to my dad. I talked to my sister. I talked to Mrs. Bonetta. And make your list there. I've already shown you how to insert an image. If it's an image you already have on your computer, you can upload from computer. I talked to my niece, so let's use this picture. So I'm going to make it small, like I texted it. Ding! Alright. Almost done. On this slide, you're going to talk about any travels you went on. Down here, this is a fully editable text box. I've put respond here in red. So that's where you will double click and type in your answer if you went anywhere. If you need more room, you need to scoot this up, go ahead, that's fine. You can move that around. You can even put a background on the text box if that makes it easier for you to read. To do that, you're going to find this paint bucket here, and you're going to fill it with the color of your choice. And that's going to make it have a background. Right now, it is transparent. You can change these Bitmojis if you would like. Okay. Last but certainly not least, it's time to decorate your locker. So exciting. So, what would you put in your normal locker? Is your locker messy? Is it neat? How would you decorate it if you could decorate it any way you want? I know the first thing I would put in my locker is a Taylor Swift poster. So I'm going to go over to my Google image search and type in Taylor Swift. So I'm going to pick one that looks like it could be a locker poster. Let's say this one. Love this picture. Right click, copy, return to my slideshow, paste. It's huge. It's bigger than my locker, so I gotta shrink it down, figure out where I want to put it. Perfect. You know what else my locker needs? Some books. Because there would be books in my locker. That looks pretty good. I want them to look like they are neatly aligned in my locker, because that's the kind of person I am. I like my books color coordinated. Oh, this could work right here. This image right here would work. I'm going to do the remove background again. So I am going to save image as books. I'm going to go and I want to upload a new image. So I'm going to click on upload image, find my books image right there. Okay. It's going to remove that background for me. Perfect. Right click, copy, right click, paste, and now I can adjust the size. Oh, that made them look way too small, didn't it? There we go. Now they look like they're actually in my locker. How cute is that? You can add snacks. I'll show you how to insert a image that you already own. I had pre-downloaded this image without the background. Nope, I guess I didn't. I thought I had another one. But you can do that. Some of them you may need to remove the background on. Not all of them. That is your tutorial on how to edit your digital icebreakers. We are going to share one of your slides with the class. So you choose which one is your favorite, and we're going to show that off in class the next time we meet. Thank you, guys.